Hey guys, what's going on? It's Logan coming at you from Hunting Pros. My fiance and I are going on a clam digging adventure tomorrow, so stay tuned for this catch and cook video. So this year soft shell clams need to be 50 millimeters in length, so just around 2 inches. So I'm measuring each one individually just to make sure they make the cut. Measure it up. Yep. Just a little over the 2-inch mark. I don't think that's big enough. No.
No?
The shell's a little short.
Ah.
His tongue's sticking out, so he looked like it, but...
Oh, not quite big enough.
No,
right?
that's way too small. He's only like 1 inch.
I bet you there's a monster one there.
Here?
A big hole. Although the size of the hole doesn't really mean much,
No.
does it?
It's funny. Sometimes the biggest holes are like these baby clams. Oh. He sprayed like he was a big one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. He's probably a keeper.
Yeah.
We'll see. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Jeez, yeah. Oh, I see it.
Oh wow, that's a nice one.
It is. I guess maybe the size of the hole does matter.
Yeah. It's not about the size, it's about the motion of the ocean. Probably a keeper. I'll go measure it. That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Nice big one.
A little small, I'll have to measure it probably.
Aha.
Oh yeah. I'll go measure them up.
Oh. That was a big one. Tiny.
Got a big tongue on him though. Yeah, it's definitely too small. He was stretched right out though.
Oh. Oh, no.
We'll measure him. He's pretty close. That one's definitely too small, I'd say. Look at his tongue right out. No, but it's a small one. Put him back.
I mean, there's a small one there, but this guy's
Small, yeah. Oh, I see him.
Yeah.
Oh, he's small too.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's a nice clam there. Nicer than the other one I had. No, this one was already in my hand.
Oh.
But that's a nice clam. Oh, that's a nice clam.
Neat.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Hey.
Another nice one.
Sweet.
Baby one. Oh, there he is. There's the good one. The clam. Oh, there's a nice clam right next to it. But sometimes that happens. You gotta be careful, they're just full of sand. Oh wow. Wow.
Oh, those are big.
That's a nice clam. There you go. Just a note to the viewers, when you can't see the clam you're reaching for, always wear gloves. They're very sharp. Somebody got a soaker walking across the channel. Well, that's always fun. Makes for an interesting day. And a nice car ride home. I'm gonna rinse these clams off. Those two lines right there are 50 millimeters exactly, so I always make sure that the clams exceed that. Now I'm just going to rinse the sand off them and not lose my lid. And you know I'm from the Maritimes when I have salt meat buckets laying around. Well, it's the evening after our clamming adventure, and honestly we had a great day out yesterday. The reason why I'm filming this portion of the video today and not yesterday after catching them is because I like to soak them for 12 to 24 hours in salt water in the fridge. That way they spit out all the grit and stuff that they have inside. But anyway, we had a great day out yesterday. We kept between 20 and 30 clams, just enough for my fiance and I to have a nice little feed. So stay tuned and we're gonna get to cooking. So there's the clams from yesterday. They're still soaking in the salt water that I put in the bucket at the end of the trip yesterday. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to drain the salt water, I'm going to add fresh water, and I'm just going to rinse out the sand on the bottom. You're going to notice quite a bit of sand that they spit out. And after I'm done rinsing them, they're going to go in the pot. Try to get the excess sand off them. Something that I always look for while I'm rinsing as well is to see if any of the shells have been broken or anything. So I have one broken clam in the mix. That's going to be going in my compost because I don't trust it at this point because it's probably dead. So that's going to be thrown out and not used. For centuries, people have just taken the soft shell clams and put them directly into the pot and steam them in their own juice. But what I like to do is add some white wine in the bottom. So as you can see, I have a glass started here for myself, but this is a Pinot Grigio made by Woodbridge, out of California. So what I'm going to do is just add a little bit in the bottom for flavor, like that. And then once this gets simmered, I'm going to add the clams. So just like most normal recipes, now we're just playing the waiting game. Every so often I'm going to go over and I'm going to shake the pot just to kind of stir the clams around. It takes typically between 7 to 8 minutes to have them prepared. And once the shells open up, that's when you know they're ready. And the clams are ready. So I just made some garlic butter there, and I'm going to add a little bit of clam juice in there for dipping. And just to add some color to the plate and some vegetables in my diet, I picked some fiddleheads the other day while I was out fishing with my friend Pierre.
Yeah.
So I added those
Nice
to the plate
fish.
as well. So those should go really well with the clams, hopefully. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Those clams were absolutely delicious, and so were the fiddleheads. If you enjoyed this video, please slap the like button and also subscribe. And of course, as always, stay tuned for next time.